Alright guys, I'm not going to be long with this video, so let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. For some of you guys that are still thinking that the economy is okay and we're going to continue to race to new highs and we're going to blast through, we're going to hit the 20,000 on the Dow, we're going to hit 22,000 on the Dow. Some people are saying 25, 30,000 on the Dow. It's just crazy. Absolutely nuts. For that to happen, we need continued buying. We need continued spending in the markets. We need things to be going well. We need the markets to be going well. We know that's not the case. Look at the Dow Jones, or look at the Russell, and look at the Nasdaq. They're all much, much weaker than the S&P and the Dow. The Dow is actually a lot weaker, short term anyway, right now as I speak. But I wanted to share this with you to give you a bit of an insight of what's actually happening in the economy and the reason why I think that we are likely to get a deflationary crash this year. On top of everything I say here, you have so many things happening with the Brexit, with what's happening with gold. You have the Japan Prime Minister coming out and saying we're going to get a global event like the Lehman Brothers. You know, we have so many things. The China market crashing. We have, you know, I could go on and on about what's actually happening in the markets right now. You could get inflation with the commodity prices. All this sort of stuff's going on. But one thing I wanted to share with you is obviously what's going on behind the scenes of the US economy, and the reason why this is just another reason why long term, or at least this year, long term and it starts this year, the reason why we are not going up, we are not growing as economy. And let me actually walk you through this. So you can see the student loans has just gone through roof. That's actually a massive bubble, as you can see. Anything goes like that to that, I don't care, onto the chart, eventually it's going to do that. That's the deflation phase. Food stamps, which is like, you know, people's like people like, you know, needing assistance from the governments. That's what they call it in America. Food stamps have just gone through the roof. Now, if we're doing so well, if the United States are doing so well as an economy, then why is food stamps just taken off? The federal debt. If we're doing so well, why do they have to print so much to keep the economy going? You see here, like obviously the money printing is obviously in line with the overall debt of the federal debt, but you can see the federal just keep going up. You can see the healthcare cost is laboured off, but it's also overall a big spike through here, then a sideways, and then the healthcare cost is actually going back up again. But you can see that through there. And you can see everything else here, but the other ones I want to share with you, as you can see here, labor force participants, meaning, you know, that the jobs in the labor market has dropped. This is the home ownership. A home ownership here has dropped to all-time new lows. We're talking like a 4 or 5 year decade low. And obviously the median family income has also been dropping from here to here, which is basically over the last 10 years, you see a definite downward trend. So if incomes are going down and expenses are going up and loans are going up and we've got more people on food stamps and the federal debt's going up and there's less people working, yeah, this market's really strong and this market's really going to keep going up. So anyway, guys, little news for you to show you what I see on this, what's happening with the markets, that this here overall here, for me, speaks big. Crash is coming this year. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.